Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you where to view statistics on selected campaigns and which information it contains. You will learn how to view insights about up to 3 SMS campaigns of your choice, load unsubscription or click rate numbers for text variants, and interpret data on the diagrams. Start with clicking Analytics and Insights in the main menu on the left. By default, the Analytics and Insights page shows statistics about your most recent campaign. If you need different data, select up to 3 campaigns. Start typing in the selection box to locate them quickly. The page loads cards with quick information about chosen campaigns. Click View Details in a card to see how many messages were delivered within the campaign, how many subscribers clicked the link or unsubscribed altogether, and for each text variant. Below the cards, you can see the click rate statistics section with an overview of campaigns in general. Toggle the Show Variants slider to break it by message variants. The graph will show data about each message variant in each campaign you selected. Hover over the charts for additional information about the sent messages, clicked links, and opted out contacts. Another available graph provides insights into the average time to open SMS messages. Each line represents a campaign. On the horizontal axis, check when the messages were sent. The vertical axis indicates the average duration between the moments the message was delivered and the subscriber opened a link it contained. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.